Hello, this is George F551 with something quick. I just heard today on WBZ News Radio 1030 in Boston, Cisco Corporation has officially ceased production of the flip camera line. That's right, the flip cameras that you have in the store now, plus those that are probably in stock rooms, Cisco and store-wise, that's it. The flip cam is no more. So weird because it's a very successful camera. I have no idea why they would just ditch the flip ultra, the minnow, and slide HD cameras. I have no idea why they would do that. Well, apparently, Cisco just doesn't want to do it anymore. And that's about it. So, if you want a flip camera, slide, ultra, or minnow, get one now, because they'll be gone forever. Bye.